Welcome to DIY Solar and Wind and Adventures. Today I'm at Gilmore's Car Museum. If you want to take your house off grid one solar panel at a time, one paycheck at a time, like I have done over the last 8.5 years, click on the links down below where I have a series of the first 8 videos as to the first several solar panels starting the off-grid system, the panels outside and the battery banks down in the basement. But today here at Gilmore's Car Museum, I have a 1947 Hudson Coupe Express 3/4 ton pickup, a smart Husky carrier. Hudson is a name not usually associated with trucks. From the founding of the Hudson Motor Car Company in Detroit, 1909, the nameplate demise, 1957, Hudsons were known as speedy, well-built, mid-market cars, but Hudson also built light trucks for almost 20 years. The best remembered Hudson trucks were the handsome 1946-47 pickups produced after World War II. Factory price, $1,522 and 102 horsepower. Gotta love these things. Have a nice sunny day.